Right, hello my lovely people. Today I am going to be doing the long-awaited pavlova. Yes, it's still warm, but I've been putting it off long enough. So,
hey everyone, I hope you're hungry because Jeanette's gonna be dishing out some mighty fine food. Oh my. Please comment, subscribe, and like. And let's get our baking on. That's right.
to begin with, you've got to put the oven on gas Mark II. It says to mark a 9cm square on a piece of greaseproof paper, which you can see I have done, and this is going to be a template for your pavlova. We are now going to make the meringue, so for that you need 4 egg whites. Right, you have to whisk these until stiff peaks form. Right, that is like stiff peaks as you can see, and it now says whisk in the caster sugar, which is 250 grams, which equates to 10 ounces of caster sugar, but you've got to whisk it and put it in tablespoon by tablespoon. Right, that is the meringue bit done. It says you have to, the mixture should look firm and glossy, and I can assure you it's firm and it's glossy. So this last part is you put a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Now this is a first for me as well, and I will just show you. That is the white wine vinegar that I have used. It does say it on the list, a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of cornflour. So in that goes as well. Right, what I've done, I've done this again. It says it's got to be a 9cm circle. Well, basically, I've just used a side plate that measures exactly 9 centimetres. I've done it with a marker so you can clearly see the outline through the back. Now, it does say to use a little bit of the mixture to stick your outline onto oh, look at that, it wasn't meant to be like that, but as I pressed it out, it's come out in a love art. Right, the next step is you have to spoon it onto the circle using it as a guide. Right, now the meringue's on the template, it says to create a dip in the middle to create a wall. So this, when it's cooked, this will be where the cream and the strawberries goes. So I'm trying to do that while trying to keep it within the lines. So basically that is creating a dip in the centre. That has now got to go in the oven on gas Mark II, 150 degrees centigrade or 130 with a fan assisted oven. So I'll show it you when it's come out the oven in an hour's time, but the second part I can't do till tomorrow because it's got to be ideally left overnight. Right, this is how the pavlova, the meringue, turned out. This has had to stand overnight. Why, I don't know. But I'm now going to finish it off, the finishing touches. I have had to make the hole a little bit bigger because I've got to fit cream in it and strawberries. So, right, you add 350 mils of double cream. And to that you add 2 tablespoons full of icing sugar. And also to that you add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now we just mix that up until the cream is thick. Right, now that is thickened up. It's just a case of piling it into the hole that I've made. Right, as we say in the cooking world, the piece de resistance is strawberries. It does say 750 grams, but I've got 2 small punnets there and that is only 600 grams, believe it or not. So it's just a case of piling the strawberries on the top. And now that is the finished article, and that is a strawberry pavlova. Pixie and Callum and myself will be tasting it a little bit later on. So we'll put in the description the recipe and the ingredients. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.